Hello, Nina is back. Kumusta kayong lahat? Hello, sir. Happy birthday to you. I wish you good health every day and many birthday to come. Happy birthday, boss. Although we no longer work together, your wisdom is continuous to inspire me. Enjoy your special day. I hope I am there to celebrate your 85th birthday. Joke lang. But anyways, I heard that you guys are celebrating 15th anniversary. Happy 15th anniversary, Happy World Agency. I am so thankful to the valuable opportunities I had during my tenure. I am so happy that I am part of your company for more than 5 years. I miss you, all of you. I hope I am there again to celebrate the big celebration to your birthday and your 15th anniversary to your company. I miss you, all of you. I hope so. I will see you soon. Bye! Enjoy the celebration and kainan na! Mwah! Bye!